The Boss Laser LS2440 finally arrived, and it made an entrance. One pallet jack, a tight garage, no space to unbox, and yes, we had to pull it back out with a car. Welcome to LightBurn and Learn, a beginner-friendly faceless journey into the world of laser cutting using the Boss LS2440 and LightBurn software. I am learning from scratch and bringing you along for every step, even the chaotic ones. The delivery came via FedEx Freight, and the driver did have a pallet jack, which helped get it to the garage, but that's where things got tricky. The laser was too heavy to get over the small lip at the garage entrance. We tried a ramp, then a dolly, still no luck. After some maneuvering and a lot of teamwork, we finally got it inside. Once we got it inside, we started removing the screws to get the crate off. The packaging was solid, heavy duty with wood all around, and everything was strapped down in place. Removing the side panels and top gave the first real glimpse of the machine. And whoa, it's big, solid, and exciting, but quite intimidating. It was neatly wrapped in plastic, and this is what the bottom of the crate looked like. It was at this point that I realized something. There wasn't enough room in the garage to safely unbox and remove it from the pallet. So yep, after all that work, we had to take it back out of the garage. This time, we didn't have a pallet jack, so we used straps, hooks, and the back of an SUV to gently slide it out and reposition it. I 100% do not recommend this. We created a small ramp to slide it back into the garage, and then we jacked it up with a car jack, and then we rolled it inside of the garage, all in the pouring rain. Now it was time to cut off and remove all of the plastic. This was a little bit of a chore. Finally seeing it unwrapped fully and outside of the box was kind of crazy. This thing is ginormous, just way bigger than I expected it to be. Here are some close-ups of the machine. This is the start-stop button. This is the top of the machine. We're just going to peel all of this back. This is the display screen. Here's one of the pass-throughs. This is how it opens and closes. This is what it looks like inside. We're just going to remove all of the paper and the packaging. This is what the larger side of the pass-through looks like. The door just flips open, and then you just close it back and latch it into place. Here's a close-up of the laser. We got a 155-watt laser. Here's another look at the inside. And the top, the emergency button, and the keys to turn it on and off. Here's the exhaust fan hookup, the air compressor, and the chiller. All of that connects together, and it'll keep the laser cool, smoke-free, and safe to run. Getting the laser into its final home took a little bit more sliding and repositioning, but I made it work. Everything is in place, it's powered up, and it's now officially real and ready to go. Next up, I'll be walking you through the first startup, testing the laser head movement, and opening LightBurn for the very first time. Subscribe to follow the full journey from beginner to builder, right here on LightBurn and Learn.